Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report for David in Georgia on a Stryker SR-955HP. David, we just opened it up here. I want to do a little video real quick. Before we do anything to it, our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Sitting about 2 watts. Show you average power swing. Low, swinging a 10 bird. And let's see, that is 12 watts with a carrier all the way up. Low, swinging about 17. Peak power, low, about 77 peak. So we're going to go in here and address the issues of the transmit, work on the receive a little bit. Going to check out all this right here and see why you're showing a little bit of a signal there while we're on the dummy load. We'll be back. Okay, we're back for just a moment. Just got the covers off, put the tone generator on it, and injecting a signal here that 300 microvolts, and look at there, 60 dB over. So we're going to get that back down where it should be. We'll return. All right, David, we're back again. Got you all fixed up. Got your audio mods done, transmit and receive, tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Our power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 1 watt like you requested. Hello, hello, hello. It's doing almost 30 bird at 1 watt. It's only doing 10 bird before from 2 watts. Rolled all the way up, 10 watts. And it was swinging to, I think, what was it, about 18 or 20? Let's look at it now. About 46 bird. 100 watt scale, PEP. At 96 watts. Alright, David, it's ready to come back to you. We appreciate it and hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.